Good afternoon, Ryan Kelly, Ecuador Shores Realty, Manta Ecuador's #1 top producing, most recommended expat realty company. Coming today from the beautiful and affluent gated neighborhood of Ciudad del Mar, right here on the coast of Manta Ecuador. Now, Ciudad del Mar is really an up and coming neighborhood. There's a lot of new construction going on, even a luxury home right next door. So if you do pick up any background noise, that's basically where it's coming from. Now, Ciudad del Mar is really becoming a very popular area for expats and locals alike to be able to purchase these luxury homes. Not only does it offer incredible ocean views looking out over the Pacific, but it has a lot of additional amenities for you guys to be able to enjoy and utilize as well. Down at the main clubhouse level, you have multiple pools. One of them has a beautiful cascading waterfall. You have multiple whirlpool jacuzzis. You have a full gym. You also have a sauna. And then in the garden areas, you have a putting green for all you golfers out there. You have tennis court, you have soccer, basketball, volleyball, mountain biking, walking trails. You literally have everything that you guys could hopefully need. Now, this particular home, as you can see, is a beautiful kind of Mediterranean meets the modern flair. It is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath home, little about 200 square meters, so a little over 2,100 square feet, and it has a lot of additional bonus features. Well, we're just gonna have to show them to you. So let's stop wasting time. Let's go take a look. All right, welcome home. Now, a lot of times that we do start off showing you guys the view. It's beautiful, but we'll get to it in just a second. We'll start off with the kitchen this time. So as you can see, it's a very nicely appointed kitchen, complete with the modern touch. You do have a nice white Corian countertop here, complete with the waterfall edge. You do also have plenty of additional storage here with some pull-out drawers, and you also have a nice little touch of a wine rack built in. Your appliances are all included, so you do have this full side-by-side refrigerator freezer. You have your built-in oven, your induction cooktop, range hood here, built-in microwave. Now, through this doorway here, you're going to have your laundry room, side-by-side washer dryer, also complete with a side wash basin sink for you guys as well. With your kitchen sink, again, keeping with that modern flair, you do have a really nice space, which is undermount, and you also have your little vegetable sink here, plus an additional reverse osmosis water system treatment right here. Coming into your living area, all right, what's the verdict? Not too bad, not too bad. Imagine it, you're literally living here every day watching the sunset, which by the way is straight out in front of you. During this time of year, you have the whales literally playing just offshore. You have the pelican squadrons flying by. And one of the really nice features we love about this particular home is that this entire sliding glass door system completely opens up, which allows this entire space to be amplified, spilling right out over to that terrace. So it's a really nice feature. You know, sea breezes coming right in, washing throughout the home. Coming upstairs, again, beautiful design elements that they did here with this really nice floating staircase leading to this incredible chandelier, which is included. The owners are including this, so everything you see does come included. So let's jump up here and we'll take a look at the bedrooms. Okay, so coming upstairs, this is a nice little bonus feature about the home. You have this additional little media area up here on the loft side. So you guys can keep it as a media room. You could use it as a little home gym area, spin bike, treadmill, what have you, yoga, Pilates, whatever your heart desires. Coming through this way is another one of your guest bedrooms. Now, what's really nice about this one is, again, you have this whole wall of closet space plus the additional cubbies up above. So again, plenty of room to be able to utilize. And coming into the bedroom here, you'll notice it's a really ample sized guest bedroom. You can either keep it, I mean, there's 2 queen size bed in here right now. You can put a full size king in there, complete with the nightstands, whatever your heart desires, additional home office, really whatever you like. And then this also does have its own private bathroom as well. And again, you'll notice that they kept in that beautiful modern theme throughout the home. All right, let's go check out the master. All right, coming into your master bedroom, as you can see, absolutely gorgeous. Now, coming through my right-hand side, you're actually gonna have a full his and her closet system. You're gonna walk right through that. That's gonna be complete with your full-size master bathroom. But this bedroom here is absolutely stunning. Easily big enough for a big king-size bed with, again, dual nightstands on either side. Still plenty of room to be able to utilize. and this spills out to your own private terrace. Again, amplifying those views out there, sunset straight off. So again, morning coffee right out here on your own private terrace. This is living the dream life. All right, so coming this way off your living space, you have your half social bathroom in through this doorway. And then coming through here is gonna be your first main guest bedroom. So you'll have a nice little walk-through closet space here, complete with the openness, plus the pull-out drawers. And of course, you can either exit through that far side or come through this way, and you have a really nice space for the guest bedroom downstairs. It's easily big enough for a full king-size bed with dual nightstands on either side. And of course, your guests do have their own private bathroom as well. And there you have it, another beautiful luxury beach home brought to you by the luxury real estate professionals here at Ecuador Shores Realty. The asking price for this home is only $325,000, completely furnished with everything that you've seen here today. So yes, an extremely good deal, and one that will probably not be on the market for very long, especially with those kind of views, watching out over the sunset every evening, watching the whales playing just offshore. This home literally has everything that you guys have been wanting. As always, please don't forget to follow us on all of our social media, our Facebook at Ecuador Shores Realty, our Instagram at Ecuador Shores Realty, YouTube at Ecuador Shores Realty, and our professional custom website at EcuadorShoresRealty.com. Please, we look forward to seeing you down here. Please contact us with any additional questions and thoughts you might have. And as always, we look forward to seeing you right down here in paradise.